Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Olympus Pen EF. This one. Stay tuned. So if you're looking at this video, you'll probably have a good understanding that the Olympus Pen EF is a half-frame camera. It was the last half-frame camera that Olympus made, and it was made in 1981. This camera is a fully automatic camera. The only things you can control are the ISO and the flash. There's no actual focusing. If you look at the manual, all it tells you is anything before 4.5 feet, I think, which is 1.3 meters, is out of focus. Anything from 4.5 feet to infinity is in focus. On the front of the lens is selenium cells, so this means this camera doesn't need any batteries. The selenium cells is what reads the light and gives the information to the camera. With this camera being a half-frame camera, this means you get at least 72 photographs per roll of 35mm film. Also, one thing to note is when you look through the viewfinder, when you're viewing through the viewfinder, it's in a portrait orientation. So if you want to take a landscape photograph, you have to turn the camera this way, and if you want to shoot in portrait mode, you shoot in this way. With this camera being a fully automatic camera, there's only three things you really need to worry about. One is composing and making sure there's nothing within 4.5 feet, because that will be out of focus. The second thing is setting the ISO on the camera for the right speed of the film. And the third thing being if you need to use flash or not. This camera only has two shutter speeds, 1/30th of a second and 1/250th of a second. If it needs flash, in the viewfinder there's a little red tab that will pop up, and that will stop you using the camera. So therefore, to put the flash on, press this, you can hear it winding up, wait 7 seconds, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then fire. Wind it on first, and it takes about another 7 seconds for the flash to recharge. To close the flash, push it in, good to go again. I bought this camera for a project to take 2 images of one subject to keep them on the same negative. So what we'll do now is take a good look around the camera. So taking a look at the camera, on the front of the camera, on the lens, around the outside of the lens, we've got the selenium cells. This is what reads the light. And then on the top there's a little red dot here, and this allows us to change from the ISO settings from 25 to 400. So I'll just set it to 200. That's how you set your ISO settings. The flash, to use the flash, push down on this button, pops the flash out, takes 7 seconds, and then you can use the flash. Once you're finished, pop it back in. On top of the camera we've got the shutter fire button, and we've got the film counter. We've also got the rewind spool to wind the film on, and obviously rewind the film. To open the back of the camera, there's a little lever here, push it down, pops open, and then to load a roll of film, we'll pull up this lever, put the film in there, wind it on, same as every other 35mm camera. On the back of the camera we've got a flash meter reading. So for 100 ISO film you've basically got from 5 feet to 9 feet, and with the 400 film you've got from 5 feet to 18 feet. And to be honest, pretty much, and the last thing is on the bottom, you push this button in, which is to release the film so you can rewind it, and the battery it takes is 1 AA, and that's the battery is purely for the flash. So what I'll do now is show you some images I've taken on this camera using Kodak Pro Image 100. that's the Olympus Pen EF half frame camera. Made of plastic, cheapest chips. This one cost me 30 quid. Still works, still gives me pretty good image quality considering it's a half frame negative. And yeah, if you're in the market for a cheap half frame camera, you ain't going to go far wrong with this. Thanks for watching, hopefully you liked the video. If you liked the video, click the like button and please subscribe. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Ciao for now.